Okay. You see, for P over Z, it's quite good. All right. It's quite linear. So maybe from here you can say that the aquifer might not be very strong, right? Because we still have more or less a straight P over Z. P over Z over pressure, half Lena Ode, okay, like this. But they gave more or less the same gas in place. That's the good news. Okay, half Lena Ode for water drive. There is some deviation here, but that's okay. Coal, quite good, right? Roach, also quite good, except in this condition, but that's okay. Coal, no aquifer. And yeah. So overall, the graphical methods show that the gas in place is quite good. Also, the analytical matching also quite good. So we are quite confident with the gas in place, so that later on, when we want to model or when we want to forecast the CO2 injection, the gas in place can be used. And then energy plot. Okay, right, you can see. Actually, the water influx is not very strong, so you can see that the P over Z is quite linear. Porphyrium compressibility, also a minority. Okay, and of course, the fluid expansion is the majority or the dominant driving mechanism. Okay, next is WD function plot. All right, quite good as well. Run simulation if you want to show the all. Right, it's good for reporting if you want. Finish. Now it's also very important, run simulation. Hopefully the result is good. Click OK. All right. So this is the forecast or the simulation result for the pressure. Very good, right? So the model is relatively representative. So I'm quite confident to use this model as a modeling for CCUS or CO2 storage. Okay, so if we plot the simulation results, the tank pressure, and then oil recovery factor, gas recovery factor, average oil rate, average water rate, average gas rate, P over Z, and then aquifer influx, right? History, cumulative oil production, and simulation, cumulative oil production. Okay, so there is a discrepancy here. But that's okay, more or less the matching is very good. Cumulative gas production for history and cumulative gas production perfectly the same, right? For cumulative gas production between history and simulation. I will go back to tank pressure. Okay, I will close. Okay, so you see the matching, the simulation is very good, I think, yeah. So we can use the model to production forecasting, all right?